Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that matters to every home lover: budget-friendly home decor. Budget-friendly decor isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. It means creating a space that looks beautiful, feels comfortable, and reflects your style, without spending a lot of money. It's about using what you already have, making small changes with big impact, and choosing affordable upgrades that make your home shine. In this video, I'll share 10 simple ways to decorate your space beautifully, on a budget. Let's get started. Use light-colored curtains. Let's begin with the windows. Switching to light-colored curtains can make a huge difference. Go for white, cream, soft gray, or pastel shades. These colors allow more light into the room and create a fresh, open feeling. They also make smaller rooms appear larger and more breathable. Look for linen or cotton curtains. They're affordable and give a soft, elegant finish. Add mirrors strategically. Mirrors aren't just for checking your reflection, they're a smart decor tool. Placing a mirror across from a window reflects natural light, instantly brightening the room. It also creates the illusion of more space, which works great in small apartments or narrow rooms. Choose decorative mirrors with unique frames to add style to your walls. Even one well-placed mirror can make a room feel open and more alive. Declutter and embrace simplicity. Sometimes the best decor change is to simply clear the clutter. Too many things can make a room feel messy and smaller than it is. Start by removing unused items, extra furniture, and random decor pieces. Keep only what brings joy or serves a purpose. Simplicity doesn't mean empty. It means choosing each item with care. This approach gives your home a clean, peaceful look without spending anything. Repaint walls with soft hues. A fresh coat of paint can completely change how a room feels. Choose soft, soothing colors like pale blue, light beige, soft green, or warm gray. These tones create a calm and relaxing vibe, and they match well with most furniture styles. Paint is one of the most affordable ways to refresh a space. Even painting just one wall as an accent can create a noticeable difference. Use LED lighting. Lighting matters more than most people realize. Place old bulbs with LED lights. They're energy efficient and last much longer. Warm white LED bulbs make a space feel cozy, while cool white works better in work areas like kitchens or study corners. Also try placing small LED lights under shelves, inside cabinets, or behind your TV. These small touches add atmosphere and style on a small budget. Add reflective accessories. Think about adding shiny or reflective items to bounce light around your space. Glass vases, chrome lamps, metallic picture frames. These small details reflect light and add elegance without much cost. Even a glossy tabletop or a decorative silver tray can make a difference. The goal is to keep the room looking bright, clean, and a little bit luxurious. Decorate with plants. Nothing brings life into a room like plants. Even one or two small indoor plants can make a space feel fresh and natural. Use potted plants on shelves, desks, or windowsills. Hanging planters or a small indoor herb garden also look great and feel calming. Choose low-maintenance plants like snake plant, pothose, or peace lily if you're just getting started. Rearrange your furniture. Here's something that costs nothing at all, just move things around. Try a new layout for your sofa, chairs, or even your bed. Changing how furniture is placed can improve how the space works and make it feel brand new. Create clear pathways, group seating together, and avoid blocking windows. It's amazing how different a room can feel just by rethinking the layout. DIY wall art. Wall decor doesn't have to come from a store. Create your own artwork using canvas, fabric, paper, or even printed quotes. Frame photos, paint simple shapes, or use stencils for a personal touch. You can also repurpose old materials to create something new and stylish. It adds personality to your walls and saves money at the same time. Use rugs to define spaces. Finally, let's talk about rugs. Area rugs help define spaces, especially in open-plan rooms. Place a rug under the coffee table to anchor your living area or beside your bed for a soft morning step. Choose colors and patterns that match your room style. Even a small rug adds texture, warmth, and comfort without costing much. So there you have it, 10 budget-friendly home decor ideas that truly work. You don't need expensive furniture or a full renovation to make your home feel warm, beautiful, and fresh. Start small, try what feels right for your space, and enjoy the process. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more home inspiration. Thanks for watching and see you next time.